we are going to do a little tutorial on Staff Wars. You're going to play that to practice your lines and your spaces. So let's show you how to play so you can get playing. First of all, when I opened mine up, right here in the screen, it said that I had to enable Flash Player. So I clicked on it and it asked me to allow, and I hit allow. When that is done, then I'm going to select my mission, which is just going to be Treble Clef. So I hope you pick Treble Clef. I want it to be relatively easy, so I don't want the huge range. I'm going to go down here to the range, so I'm doing all the lines. Ernie gave Bert dead fish, and the spaces we know, F-A-C-E. And then I'm going to hit start. And the first note comes across and it's on the middle line, so I don't have to do the lines. E, G, B, D, F. Ernie gave Bert. I know it's a B for Bert. I go over to the B and I hit, and it shoots the B. I know Ernie gave Bert dead flowers. F. And then here's another line. Ernie gave. So I go to the G for gave. This is F, as in the spaces spell face, F-A-C-E. Oh, there's another F. I just did that one, so I know it. Here's that middle line again. Ernie gave Bert is a B. And if you use, maybe you use even George Bush drives fast. There's the B. And as you go through this, that's an F. It gets faster and faster as your skills improve. So, oh, there we go. I just got to the faster level. The music gets intense. That's a space, F-A-C-E. And that's how to play. So good luck, everybody, and have some fun.